found today in front of me iPhone SE 2022, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So here on the left side of our device we got two volume buttons, and here near these two volume buttons we got the silent mode just switcher. Just in our case, as can you see, the silent mode is turned off right now, and just to turn on silent mode you should switch the switcher by this way to the down, and here you'll see this red section. In this case, the silent mode, now I'll switch that, and you can see that the silent mode is on our device. And you can check that by this way, just to see on the switcher here, or just to go here into the settings, tap on the sounds and haptics, and here just to change to slide this white dot, and you'll see here that the silent mode is on. And now just if you want to turn off silent mode, by the same way just change the position of the switcher, and here on the display you'll see that the silent mode is off. So that's it. That's how to turn on or turn off silent mode on your iPhone SE device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.